Guess who? Oh boy, I'm right here in the Los Angeles Zoo. And I'm so excited to meet all the animals and the wild birds I love. Oh, hi. This is Wynonna Woodpecker here. I'm so glad you make it here with me. I'm here for the Los Angeles Zoo so I can learn all the animals and biology facts. You know, ever since I'm with the biology class in my own university, and now that I'm 30-year-old, now I'm old enough and wiser enough to learn about the animal biology or animal science. You call it zoology. Zoology is a word for science for animals, especially in the zoo. It takes time to study. They say that in the zoo has lots of animal facts, like how many years did they have lifespan, like how long the turtle can live up to. For example, Crust the turtle from, the sea turtle from Finding Nemo. He says he's around 100 years old, while humans only live up to less than 100 years old. So humans' lifespan is less than 100, while turtles can live about more than 100 years old. Well, it depends on different animals with immortal cells. Immortal cells, that is, if you're familiar with it, that's the one I saw in my biology class. And right now, so here I am to learn about animals, what they eat, how they survive, or how they function. And there are too many facts involving animals, ecology, food chain, and different lifespans. It may sound like mathematical numbers involving aging and immortality by immortal cells. Lots of things we can learn in the zoo. I can see why the LA Zoo is becoming the most popular field trip for all the schools, including elementary schools, kindergartens, middle schools, high schools, college, and especially universities, for anyone that are science students, zoology students, and biology students. Now, that is too many facts we have to learn, which is why we're here. And me, I'm gonna learn. If I see the birds, I would love to meet different birds, toucans, flamingos, and more. After all, I may be a half human and a half woodpecker, but me, I speak for the birds. Any minute now, I'm gonna purchase a ticket first in order to get in there. Come on! Boy, oh boy, we're right here in the Los Angeles Zoo. Now this is gonna be a long tourist adventure here. Oh, here we are, guys. We're right inside after the ticket purchase. And now I'm finally in to get to explore what I want and to meet any animals I want to explore and learn. Say, would you like to join me on the tour in Los Angeles Zoo so we can explore around, look at all these animals and learn the information about them, like their lifespans and what food did they eat? Great! This is gonna be a best exploration. Come on, let's go. Wow, look at all these seals swimming. Aren't they amazing? Hey, let's read the sign. Harbor seal, Phoca commun, Phoca fitulina. Habitat. These seals inhabit waters of the northern coast. Food. Harbor seals consume water, crustaceans, shellfish, octopus, squid, and sometimes seabirds. Seabirds? I don't know anything about seabirds, but I hope the seals doesn't eat me because I may be a half human, but I'm a half bird. You know, under my sweater, I even got my tail. See? Hey, there's another sign. Look. If you see a harbor seal resting at the bottom of the pool, don't be alarmed. Harbor seals can nap underwater for up to 15 minutes. Wow, that's a good fact. I heard human children take a nap at least 1 hour or 30 minutes at least, but seals can sleep shorter than humans. Even me. Well, sometimes my Uncle Woody naps about 1 hour. So every time I see my Uncle Woody Woodpecker nap, I always leave him alone until he wakes up. And whenever he naps before dinner time, I always cook for him. So I thought I was trying to be a good, loving niece, so Woody would love me. Oh, and it's the good seeing those seals.
Yeah, let's go over here.
And they're pretty. Come on.
Whoa.
Wow. Hello. Nice swimming you got there. Beautiful swimming, graceful. Aren't they pretty? So that's the way they swim. Hey, I don't know if that's a baby seal, but it looks pretty young. Just like in biology. You know what happens at harbor seals? When they're babies, they look so small and naked. And when they grow up, they look taller and then thinner. Now that is called growth and development. I don't know that temperature of the water, but seals might have different response to stimuli. Biology speaking. Now, on to the next animal. Oh, I gotta say goodbye. Goodbye. Have a good swimming. Take care. Have fun in the pool. Goodbye now, harbor seals. Come on.